So first make curve line. Draw like this curve line, easy curve line. So make easy curve line. After this, take it downwards. Take this line like this downwards. So normal straight line type. So it's easy. Just you have to draw basic line. And everyone it is easy. Simple basic lines, curve lines, straight lines. The main thing that this drawing is easy. So whichever drawing you do, you should do in a free way. So then you will get this confidence of drawing. Yeah, we are drawing Spider-Man face. So after drawing this, make a slanting line. Make slanting line. After this, take this line downward. So hope everyone is getting this. If you are done, just give a thumbs up. So hope everyone is finding this easy. If anyone is finding difficult, just message on chat box. So it's easy only. So I will explain again this curve line, straight line, slanting line, slanting line. So simple basic line. Curve line, straight line, slanting line, small slanting line. So friends, so this is Spider-Man is easy. Okay. So main thing, enjoy the drawing. So friends, after drawing this, the next part is drawing Spider-Man's eye. So draw slanting line, join you. Take this line upward, make curve line, take it down. So eye part. So main thing, enjoy the drawing. So this is like slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, curve line, slanting line. So everyone, you can send me your favorite card, superhero. So everyone, message on chat box your favorite superhero. Like someone's favorite one me Spider-Man, someone's favorite superhero might be Captain America, Iron Man, or Hulk, or else Batman, or else Power Ranger. So there are different superheroes. Action Kamen from Shinchan. Wonder Woman. So after drawing this, so whichever is your favorite superhero, just message on chat box. So after this, friends, after completing with this, so draw like this, same shape inside this. Same way, draw your line, one more inside this part. Same, this line will be repeated inside. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, curve line. So there were old superheroes also like Shaktiman. So you might have seen that also. So Shaktiman is from this India superhero. From India he is Shaktiman. So friends, after completing with this, so hope everyone is getting this. If you're completed, just give a thumbs up. Okay. So enjoy the drawing. If you're finding it difficult, so just think this is simple drawing. Just make curve line, straight line, slanting line, slanting line. So this is easier drawing. So if you enjoy the drawing, it will be more easy. Okay. So when this drawing is completed, it will look into real Spider-Man face. So then you will not believe that. So you'll see that Spider-Man's face is real after completing this drawing. So just go step by step. We'll go step by step. Okay. So we'll complete first this drawing and then we'll start with coloring part. So everyone is doing nice work. I'm just seeing everyone's drawing from here. Very nice. Tanisha, excellent. Good work. Very nice. Aradhya, excellent. Freya, Iman, excellent work. Shifana, very good. It's looking real from now only. Lavanya, very good. Drushi, excellent. Ayushi, very good. Excellent drawing. Ayush, nice work. Awesome. Sanvi, very good. Drawing is perfect. Priti, very good. Yashvi, very good. Excellent. You have done perfect drawing. Abhizar, Vedant, very nice work. Excellent. Awesome. Mirtavaram, excellent. Nice work. Kishan, very good. Nice work. Excellent. Devika, excellent. Madhav, very good. Nice work. So everyone is doing excellent work. So it's easy and everyone is interested to complete this and also excited to complete this. Location, very good. Nice work. Diana, very good. Excellent work. Drawing is perfect. So everyone is doing nice work. I'm checking everyone's work. Whoever's name is left out, I have checked yours also. So everyone is doing excellent work. Okay, nice work. Like, so keep like this. So keep it up, everyone. So friends, after completing with this, we'll go with this next part. So everyone are doing excellent work. So now we have to proceed further. Next part. So friends, see here. Make curve line. And join like this. Curve line. Take it down and join it downside like this. So this is the wall part. So we have to show that crack 3D way. 3D means 3 dimensions. So we'll show your wall. This part will show this shadow part. Okay, nice work. Paki. Excellent. Excellent work, Paki. I'm using HB pencil, light pencil. You can use any normal pencil. I'm using HB pencil, normal pencil. So you can use any normal pencil. One second, everyone. So friends, after completing with this, we'll start with coloring now. Okay. So draw lightly, everyone. Don't make it dark. So now we are going towards this next step, coloring part. Everyone's favorite part, coloring. If everyone is completed with this, just give a thumbs up. So now we'll go with this coloring part. So everyone's favorite part. So we'll start now. Okay, with coloring. So everyone take first color. First color will be red color, red. So take red color. So we'll start now with coloring part. Everyone take out red color. So use oil pastels, crayons, or else pencil colors. If you're having oil pastels, use that. So use oil pastels, pencil colors, or else crayons. If you're having oil pastels, use that, or else use pencil colors. Pencil colors are also better. Oil pastels are also better. If you're not having those oil pastel pencil colors, use crayon. Okay, so we'll start now. So friends, Take red color and see here. We have to leave your white space, highlight. So we'll start from this left side. So apply like this, red color. Friends, apply like this, red color. Complete with proper finishing. Okay. Finishing means your color should not go outside and color only in one direction. And enjoy the painting. So don't do in a fast way. Do it slowly. Color slowly. Okay. Color it slowly. So go with me. Okay. Don't complete it fully. So leave your white space for highlight. So complete like this with proper finishing. Okay. Color only in one direction, everyone. Color only in one direction. Main thing, enjoy the painting. So whichever sports, if you do sports, dance, music, drawing, so main thing you have to enjoy that. So then you'll get this perfect result. So don't complete in a fast way. Okay. If you complete in a slow way, you will get more good results. So friends, apply like this red. Don't leave any white space here except this eye part. Okay. So your color application should be proper. So this is called as color application. Okay, this is called as color application. So you should color only in one direction, not to do a double direction. Color like this only in one direction. So color like this only in one direction, everyone. So use oil pastels if you have oil pastels, or else use pencil colors. Don't color fully.
Stay.
Color, everyone. Brown or maroon color. So apply your brown. So this is we are applying brown or maroon for shading part. So apply only in one direction. And complete with proper finishing like this. Apply only in one direction. Okay. So apply like this, brown or else maroon. If you don't have brown or maroon, use crimson color. So use brown color or else maroon. So after applying this, so friends, after completing with this, so your color should not go outside. Mainly focus that. After this, take red color for mixing. Take red color for mixing. So apply your again red color for mixing this both shades. So we have to mix this brown and red or else maroon or red. So apply like this red for mixing. So complete with proper finishing. So you will get here dark red like this, color of dark red. So this is shading part. So main is shading part also. Your this Spider-Man should not look flat. It should look in a real way, 3D way. Then it will look more attractive. So your Spider-Man should look real, 3D. Okay, very nice work, Prisha. Excellent. So everyone is doing excellent work. Continue with that. Okay. Mainly enjoy the drawing. Okay, nice work, Ayushi. So everyone is doing excellent work. Keep it up like that. Nice work. Ruvanti Ga. Nice work. Sandhya, very good. Color mixing is perfect. Excellent. Vinci, nice work. Very good. Nice work, Sanchi. Excellent. Color mixing is perfect. Light and dark is perfect. Suarjan, very good. So everyone is doing excellent work. Very good. Keep it up like that. Nice work. Diana. Nice work, Sai. Excellent. Excellent. Mirta 1. One second. I'll just zoom this. Okay. So friends, after completing with this, so take now next color. Take white. Apply your white for mixing this highlight part, shining part. After applying this, take red color and do mixing here. Do like this mixing. Again apply your white. After this, take blue color, light blue. Apply your light blue. Same way, apply your light blue and do mixing with white. Take white color, do mixing with white. So this is for shading part, light blue. Same way, apply here. Apply like this blue and then do mixing with white, so that you will get this perfect inside part. So this we have applied for highlight part, shining part of mask, Spider-Man's mask. So friends, after completing with this, take black color. Take black color, black. So friends, apply like this black. Leave your upper side white space for highlight. Leave like this white space, upper part for highlight. And complete fully this part with black. So it's easy. Coloring is easy also. So we have done this step by step. Light to dark, highlight part. Same way, apply here. Same way, friends, apply like this black. So friends, apply like this black for this inside eye part, outside part of eye part. Complete with proper finishing. Same way, take black color. So hope everyone is getting this. If you are getting this, give a thumbs up. So now you can see this. It will turn into real Spider-Man's face mask. So now you can see this in a realistic way. It will turn. Same way, add like this curve line. Draw slanting line. Again, draw curve line. Take it down. Draw slanting line. So now we have to draw that Spider-Man lines over that face mask. Make this bold little. Make this line bold. Same way, make this line bold here. Add your line. One more. Add your line. Same way, take this line down. Take this line down. So your line should be thin. Okay, then it will look in a real way. Make your curve line 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So draw like this curve line. Then it will look in a more in a real way, realistic way. So enjoy the painting. So now we have to make just simple lines. So hope everyone is getting this. If you're getting this, just give a thumbs up. So friends, hope you are getting this. So we have added this lines here. So after this, we'll add this wall part. So we have to show that that mask is coming out from that wall in a real way. So you might have seen that Spider-Man's movie. In that, how face mask is must in a realistic way. So we have to do like that. Coloring we have to do like that. Okay. So everyone give your best onto this drawing. Okay. So that it will turn into real way, realistic drawing. So same way, add a black. So add like those black. So now you can see it will. So we have to show this cracks, wall cracks. So add like those lines. So add like this wall line. So add like those lines, crack lines. So that it will show this crack over this wall part. So add like this line. Same way, add your lines to show this crack. Same way, add your line. So then it will look in a more realistic way. So add like this thin line. So now you can see the Spider-Man more in a realistic way. That mask is coming out from that wall part. After this, we'll add now shadow part. Shadow, last part. Color mixing, you have to do, take red color for mixing this brown and red color. So you have to mix, you have to apply red color on brown for mixing red and brown. So whenever mixing light and dark shade, use the light color. Okay. So main is the technique. So all things depends upon the technique. And also you have to have this color application should be proper and finishing part also. Same goes in sports and dance. If you know the proper techniques, it will be more easy. Same in drawing. If you know the proper techniques, it will be more easy. So that's why you have to learn this technique. So I have did many of these drawings of Batman, superhero, and then different 3D arts, burger, pizza, then pasta, French fries, food drawings, nature, scenery, landscape painting. So I've did this different drawings. You can watch on my different YouTube channel also. So I have my YouTube channel also. You can watch there my different drawing videos. It's same with the name of Kevin Dias on YouTube channel. Okay, so I have in my YouTube channel there are different videos of drawings. You can watch that with the name of Kevin Dias. If you search, you'll get there. So friends, same way take pencil and add your shadow part. Take pencil for adding this shadow. Okay, so add like the shadow. Use a light pencil. Hold your pencil light. So add like the shadow part. Okay, hold your pencil light, loosely, and add like this lightly, shadow part. So if you add the shadow, it will look more in a realistic way. So then make it little bit dark here, near this ending part. Add here more dark. Same way, add your shadow. Okay, do it mixing. Add light lines for mixing. So now you can see this in more realistic way. So now you can see this in more realistic way. Same way, make it light here, downside portion. And then after this, take black color and add like this crack on the walls. So it will look in more realistic way. So add like this crack.